My name is Shalina, and today I'm presenting my analysis of the meal kit delivery market. Meal kit delivery companies are continuously growing in popularity and revolutionizing the food distribution system by introducing an alternative to traditional meal preparation methods. In order to analyze this industry, I examined companies such as Peach Dish, HelloFresh, Blue Apron, and Sunbasket. I will first summarize each of these companies, then go over the challenges and opportunities presented in this industry, and ultimately come to a conclusion on whether or not it is a lucrative business exploration. Peach Dish was founded in June 2013 by Hadi Irvani. Hadi Irvani had a vision of combining the best elements of restaurant quality and comfort of home-cooked meals to create a delivery service that offers the best of both worlds. Ingredients are guaranteed fresh, supplied through small-scale farmers, then distributed to a team of award-winning chefs who create restaurant-quality recipes that can be recreated by customers at home. Customers can access these recipes through Peach Dish website, which offers guests or member services. Peach Dish is the priciest of the services, with an average cost per serving of $22.70. HelloFresh is the leading global meal kit provider and was founded in 2011 by Dominic Risher and Thomas Friesel. Their vision was that everyone should have access to the best ingredients and knowledge to cook them. The company had humble beginnings and started off with just their family and friends as customers. The business has now launched in 10 countries over 7 years and delivers 4,605 million meals to over 1.84 million households in 2018. HelloFresh products are accessible through their website, where they offer 3 types of plans ranging from $5.99 to $8.99. Blue Apron was created by Matt Salzberg, Ilya Papas, and Matt Wadika in 2012. Since their upbringing, Blue Apron has opened numerous fulfillment centers across the U.S. and taken the business to new levels by launching Blue Apron Wine Company. Blue Apron's vision is to invest in a better food system by partnering with farmers to raise quality of ingredients and create an improved distribution system. To ensure quality ingredients, Blue Apron works directly with artisanal purveyors and hundreds of family-run farms that do not support the use of growth promoters, added hormones, antibiotics, or beta-agonists. Products are accessible through Blue Apron's website, which offers 2 types of plans that have a weekly range from $47.95 to $219.84. Prices are similar to HelloFresh, which also has an average price per serving of $9.99. The last company I analyzed was Sunbasket, which was founded in 2014 by San Francisco chef Justine Kelly and Adam Zebar. Their mission is to be clean, sustainable, and always delicious. Although all competitors can claim to be environmentally conscious, Sunbasket is the only CCOF certified organic handler whose efforts go above and beyond competitors. Their packaging is recyclable and compostable, which is very effective for a business that uses a lot of individually packaged ingredients. And they also give back by donating to local food banks, Feeding America, and employee programs. All ingredients are organically sourced and used to create meals that cater to all dietary types. 2 plans are provided through their website that range from $87.92 to $175.84. With an average price per serving of $11.49, Sunbasket ranked right in the middle compared to competitors. The challenges meal kit delivery subscription companies face include expensive marketing, poor retention rates, and declining revenues per customer. In order to acquire new customers, these companies must invest large sums of money into techniques such as free meals and discounts. Although expensive marketing is not unique to this industry, it is particularly detrimental to meal kit companies when these large investments are not supported by positive retention rates. Even for companies that have a positive retention rate, the amount of generated revenue per customer declines over time. A study conducted by Daniel McCarthy reveals that increased cost to acquire new customers makes the value of new customers go down unless the net revenue generated is at least $565. In order for a customer to meet this break-even point, they must be subscribed for 4.5 months, which is unlikely with current retention rates. Opportunities: meal kit competitors seem to have similar structures and elements, but there are only a few companies that fully exercise possibilities and the opportunity to positively impact environment. Competitors in the industry are limited to food products and only advertise main courses. A simple but effective distinction would be to offer beverages or additional elements to the main entree. Another opportunity and benefit to entering the meal kit industry is the possibility to positively impact the environment. An environmentally responsible company can support small-scale farmers, source ingredients from humane sources, and use environmentally friendly packaging. Consumers are also more likely to invest in companies that are committed to a social responsibility. Although there are challenges associated with a subscription-based company, such as expensive marketing, poor customer retention, and declining revenue per customer, some popular meal kit services have prevailed and become billion-dollar companies. There are opportunities to cater to niches in the current market, such as incorporating elements additional to main entrees and actively proving claims that you are environmentally aware and socially responsible. Improving values of service for customers by providing more options and practicing environmental awareness can improve success rates of a new company aspiring to join the meal kit delivery industry.